Yera Patrick Yankey or monetary policy analyst or science finance lecturer or Regent University College Accra. Yera what you kind of from Suni Machi?
Yo, me and Pacho, Mejimuso.
What are Roman Puma Cordier?
Nyaminadum, Namuson.
Nyamia Domian Suya Huya Papa Paint Yenra and Bank of Ghana de Krata Babu and Ting Swa or Chese online things financial institutions be. I shall see omo mama loans na omo ebo Ghana fo nyina akokɔ sɛ omo nhwɛ na omo ne saafo no anye business ne kwan so aro no
Nebacho I
na ɛno no saa no hwan na yɛ na sɛdeɛ from the word go sɛ ɔbɛyɛ pruning na yɛhunu sɛ license company rather ɛna ɛbɛba system ni mu
yo mina that's very so one man say opportunity you know can be inside the course you know when you say Bank of Ghana the Central Bank of Ghana Central Bank my Ghana no mo in charge of monetary policy monetary authority and they are also sometimes from the mother of all banks and financial institutions for Ghana they were from the Bank of Ghana Act 2002 at 612 and man who kind the financial institutions biara Ghana ha no omu nyina hye Bank of Ghana say nti no esanso wo act biara refer no non-bank financial institutions at 2008 at 774 yeah it's a non-bank financial institution just say financial companies and as financial institutions any bank that's omo yesika ho adwuma no omo hye Bank of Ghana say Usha Bank of Ghana, one of their core functions is licensing regulations, supervision of non-bank financial institutions. And the kind of non-bank financial institutions include savings and microfinance, lenders, any finance house to be a. Inti Bank of Ghana womra or say or sheba a imu na license will be a company be of so yes you can jumano Bank of Ghana or ena extra sadiano na eye. But meaning I wish Yohana 2007 to 2020 and banks be financial institutions be no more no and certain international a binding bank no Bank of Ghana and can call for deposit secure no a desk it's Bank of Ghana to an among says our banks many financial institutions or money no it more on the collapse or man so on lands nephew muslim na no say according to finance minister no argument we are moving cost Ghana taxpayers got 25 billion Ghana cedis. The Mamsan CDM, 25 billion Ghana cedis. Yeah, no say you see a problem I face a buying face financial crisis yeah a bank air common. And because of that Jumadina a Bank of Ghana yeah no I spend is got 25 billion. Ghana GDP cries around 70 billion. Now this 25 billion yes adwuma we are and we are there I want to know about because I got 25 billion we na ke betumi dey any maybe breed betumi dey see hospital betumi dey see schools betumi dey any maybe breed enti Bank of Ghana and some most they have learned their lessons most lessons they fit ade we mu enti one person better ho biem ama sa ade we see no in a Bank of Ghana mo hwɛ sɛ see as a financial activities na cost no doso unless financial institutions they are no more loan omo yesi the banana you see technology abeg the banana use app mobile money phone na app no mo dey sa adwumadi sa na etia Bank of Ghana mra nti no sa na Bank of Ghana person better ho bio na sa problem na so si bio no na see no mo sa so mo sorry nti so mo sorry and papa mu because the ACN and the blaming Bank of Ghana. I didn't know what on my side we see. I'm said almost lessons. Some percent on my side we are science. It is somewhat 1 year and I in a papa one.
I see, but issues say been so raising is as a Bank of Ghana, they be bebe mua, Nankrofu edi kan ba be say nsuo no kra ansa na o mate ase akire. Almost yes no ayana from the initial stage, you know. Bank of Ghana ya omu hu
Mania I am part pa ya pa say Bank of Ghana the bia omo tra ho ma asem si answer because Bank of Ghana no mo supervision department no mo on-site supervision and off-site supervision. Off-site you say or financial institution bia or ya bia number report to am a Bank of Ghana dia weekly and monthly into number send you more reports am a Bank of Ghana supervision department one no and they go on-site so the Bank of Ghana so they see about thing no makwa kwahwehwe why na operate ade way our license requirement ben or ye adwuma ben or ye we mu na the Bank of Ghana mu sikrum no mo hwehwe and I say excuse my language I say you I say e krom si na ya mo den da bia mo te office one mo te office bia ye nipa no kakra na obenya na obeye ho adwuma ba o si abonten a obehu bebre na e course no nti e wo mu say na ye blame Bank of Ghana bebre say adentina nka omo nsi abonten na omo hwe we mu nyina but da bia mo tena ho no man kofo the jin kofo si Cedi and some no ke say they see 2 years 3 years ago no yam no ke say bebre na wu wo ho ebi wo no ma okranfo bebre na hye dem after no da susu it's na bebre say Bank of Ghana because bebre na san come musika no because in the financial institutions dia only Bank of Ghana license no asemi sia Bank of Ghana ain't take care of our customers no it's a ban say na asemi sia come bebre so musika mo capital go a pension go one more crown for go on man serious bebre na the same bebre na no mo come the best Bank of Ghana say mo sikrum no mo hwehwe so that Bank of Ghana financial institutions bebre na omuni license apart from the omo license no crampo no bebre na so enye de wo so mo ye into the problem bebre na dem buy financial sector no you know yes Bank of Ghana no mo tra office for the office on kwa omo share the other supervision rule no on site no no mo ko financial institutions adwumadi.
I see and another one I know crampo amankrofo for say na Bank of Ghana yi de and no kwade na papa ba ko kire say e wo se ye hyase na ye halt empanimfo do omokoko gina emra anim sanse ase wo no omwo ho no bibiri no ade niam edi agro ye wo Ghana ha e na wo koye international airport Kotoka international airport anim ho no mo forest trading air koso ho no mo but Bank of Ghana ye yi na ni kura se de wonnim yi afa no ate ase so be clamp it down openina no expressing the opinion say e was see a shase prosecuting leadership wa e wo Bank of Ghana no looking at way no one ne adwen
me adwen bebre because Bank of Ghana na momumra omfanya adwuma sabe yitua moka wo adwuma mo te ho amoye ho ene se mo be boa ma Ghana two point Ghana ayeye especially sikasem wo show mu Bank of Ghana monetary policy framework is to ensure stability, financial stability, currency stability. Now, this I'm not saying do we have financial stability or currency stability? International Bank of Ghana has failed us. They have failed us. They paying many yards because we share Foreign Exchange Act 2006 at 723. And my Bank of Ghana a fine say we be up say or trading in currencies no or by register no idea or say no so ordinary report about Bank of Ghana so ko akorhwe na se manye we mu nyina e de problem na de baba nyina say am no ke say wa wo hwe problem ye face ya you see na depreciating na bebre na activities of the forest bureaus no because bebre na I didn't know forest bureau as soon as any rate Oko first bureau beer as soon as any rate no Oko see as soon as first bureau no it doesn't happen elsewhere. We need to have standardized a rate, uniform rate. So once $1 is to 8 cedis, I will say $1 is to 8 cedis to Ghana hand with the other Kobia. No, so until how Ghana hand into even okay say crampono. Would be so big question says the dollar to the cedi na same crap. If I don't mean can if you can 10, if you can 9, if the Bank of Ghana for the as way ni na emboa is cedis stabilization no emboa into no pa say Bank of Ghana e de sa question na ma first bureaus for no because I'm say omo call out and omo ko hu say no yeah first bureaus need be brain na no enye ne pan so because the brain na first bureau na juma ne sport transaction the can sport transaction yes omo beton and as omo beton exchange rate no at the prevailing market rate and near sport no now some no can say most of them are also doing forward transaction. Any running amount can say for a first group for forward transaction. And on a bank for bank no ejuma or somewhere. It I say yeah just first groups no and no more the omope. Ni na no emboa ema ye see instabilize. So what I say emboa me see instabilize. See instabilize. Now, she says it depreciated for more than 40% in this year alone. More than 40% depreciation of the cedi. And yet, inflation cost inflation I'm 32%. Inflation so cost at the high cost of doing business. Depreciation if you can't depreciate here, a man doing business is very, very expensive. The first Nanka importer be or they 50,000 or they importing in Myanmar. The same container, no, they have 20-liter container, no, the same, and they also the 100,000 Ghana cedis. Now, they imported the same container, no, and my cost of doing business, no, everything. And the balance answer unemployment, not the bow. This is a Ghana unemployment rate, a cost so.
Sure.
So, if Professor Ishmael Jansen can say, as unemployment rate, a cost actually the growth of the country. So if you compare unemployment rate growth, the GDP growth, I think the unemployment quite cost a minor cost. We in activities of some of the forest bureaus, no. It is a kind depreciation so at the purchasing power, no. It lower the purchasing power.
Sure.
You cannot hold them.
Sure.
Cost of living is very high. Into depreciation of the currency, no. And what effect they bring. The activities of forest growth no activities no. It is a bank of Ghana question about and then papa mupa.
Okay.
All right. But the American say Bank of Ghana forest growth so more register and what about the black market?
The black market.
What about the black market? They say abaye illegal and so illegal. About participants in the forest market, black market, it doesn't happen anywhere. What do you mean call Abuchi? Abuchi and I'm going to black market. It's international finance, and I'm student to be the participants in the forest market. My student to be commercial Bank of Ghana, first born, also sorry, I said black market. I know where you are coming from. Ghana need the overcome black market. Now it is not part, but Ghana, I am a part. This notice should even go to the black market first.
I see.
Because the black market is a major contributing factor to the depreciation of the cedi. It's in the Bank of Ghana. What notice question we are called first Bruce Crampo, Mamo register Crampo. What about the black market? Black market. So if they should stop the black market activities as soon as possible. And yes, I see the depreciation there.
Okay.
Because what the dollar do those things about my way more. Obiti Makola. Obiti Accra Central. Open $100,000 this year. I mean, I'm no say. Okobe Sama. With a different rate
exactly.
Yes, Bank of Ghana.
Super. Sani be best stabilize and cedi no. Mami misa final question we. Na oye monetary policy analyst. Ye be boy empa. Enti ena no ena committee no krampo raise rating basis no at the core 300 are representing 22%. I would want to believe say initiative in Ebeboa, and then again with the inflow of $750 million and a syndicated loan 1.3 billion. O can in Abu and numbers $2 billion. Nijidi say eno air bay Ebeboa my cedi no afedi ejina na so kakra.
Yo minia Bank of Ghana policy rate no na 19%. And I'm increasing by 300 basis points. 300 basis points in say more than 3% account. The 19% may jump to 2%. Yeah, on no crampo no. emboa because we increase policy rate. We can say the banks no increase interest rate. The banks no increase interest rate. Cost of borrowing ever cost so. The cost of borrowing cost cost of doing business ever cost so. Cost of doing business cost the unemployment and the beba again cost of doing business cost inflation also by the inflation the cost of production cost and the inflation now 2% is here no the measures also by the cost now if cost push inflation the supply side inflation ever cost Bank of Ghana man say increase policy rate they reduce it will discourage borrowing now reduce inflation but on my I wait 5 consecutive times increase monetary policy rate no now so inflation has been increasing for more than 11 times into a year juma to mean say Bank of Ghana policy rate no and to me control inflation no it now think Bank of Ghana who say inflation we no any demand pull inflation na cost push inflation in fact monetary policy measures and the control then the fiscal policy measures a balance and a bank government and finance ministry no say and be put in place to ensure say inflation ebeko efom na any monetary policy measures the cancer assembly degree for the past 5 months my cancer assembly degree say the current inflation trend does not require monetary policy intervention rather it requires fiscal policy intervention. Into the Bank of Ghana acquire no, but also the Amucha Crampo made the bank. And inflation and but when it comes to the Ghana $750,000 na ban syndicated loan na ban say about cedis stabilization meaning a short-term measures. Short-term. Into actual 3 months. That them one, they see the need to depreciate. There were measures or say a big good honor. Now it must be it being the black market, you know. Because in South Korea, you know, about the black market for some
exactly.
In the black market for someone, Acha 1 month, 2 months.
Na ya santi esi ya dada mu.
Ya santi esi ya dada mu. Na esi nda so di.
Baba ebi mu so kire adwen se we no ba for temporarily no kra na ebeboa so oha na no. Na afei yegu so a engage IMF no. Omumbeli out no na che se ye san ati esi ya dada mu a ebenya buoyant economy.
Yeah, true. Nina measures need true, but nina short term. Short term. Sabi yen tumi da biya nko IMF nko bobosia. Ina ye loan ni bio. The better your debt. We say am no say debt to GDP ratio more than 85%. It is Ghana. Ye ton e bia ye nyesika bia kra. O say the 85% kotua bosia. Na 15% na ka dey na betumi dia ye. Meanwhile, so you say no ya adwen a. When me ya adwen, say Ghana ye here roads debris. Ye here hospital debris. Ye here schools debris. Into no say ye nyesika nyina this year alone. Interest payment, 60% of our domestic revenue. If you see, you're going to Ghana, 60% of interest or loans. The end of salaries and wages and salaries and buy. The end of the Juma. Into no, ambassador, the IMF, no money for the Christmas. I'm going to tell you. I both and a work of boy, syndicated loan, Ghana, ya talk they are more than no you want me. And then in the I think they could bob science to make a toko. Now so if my make one school cry, Juma or marketing. So the boss 100 is not the year Juma, Saturday Juma. I mean, say see you know that when you see to me the quota and tomato say dia tomatoes are on the beton. Now you talk cocoa more than so many years. Then there is a cordial loan answer, it means you take cocoa. It is no say cocoa for everyone more cocoa ready. You can't buy it into me to cocoa. I come the cocoa farmers. You know what I say? Cocoa share. I come the cocoa farmers. Cocoa I will leave 1 million nana. Yeah, something to cocoa because you can't buy it. But when you see we have a Benino, and Americano. So yeah, changing policies need you put measures in place. Temporary. And then consider that it's actually 5 months. 3 months, 2 months.
Ya santi esi ya dada mu.
This year I'm not say dollar and the dollar to the city. Yeah, you need to be and yet. Into no mama stop black market no the cost of the city depreciation the black market excessive importation ibia import fee ibia import ama we ya team no ibia import into say abandon say bi ba say na kwam nkoma start na e friend bi no import substitution industries kwam make sure say ibia ya kra ba man Ghana we mu no ye ba ye no Ghana ha no about Anna, yeah, far pressure and $2. So that's the importation. Demand and supply. The demand is higher there. A Bama price no across. Into I was say a stop you just excessive importation and the import no. Near stop black market no. Now one major contributing factor is on dollarization. Meaning the economy is a dollarized economy. For $4 crashing in Ghana city no. You know, because people want to buy dollar and save it, open dollar account and then put it in their account. School fees they quoting in dollars. Bank of Ghana come transaction need to quoting in dollars. Mineral Commission who quoting in dollars. EPM quoting in dollars. Government agencies need to quoting in dollars. Mo yes and yet dollar na the cost so. Say down on Bank of Ghana they measure it by say the reason why I see need depreciate here the strength of the US currency. Now, what is awesome? Why am I US currency in strengthening?
Okay. All right. The Abani said the BC Hanomona, acquire running story, no Muani as some Babaji adventure, so Cacrano pay any tea for that say.
You, Muslim Damasi, my Pamoya Buamangana.
Amen. Yeah, that's say. Intiane, you're Patrick Yankey or your monetary policy analyst. Or science finance lecturer, Regent University College, and I no kobo en komono.